Good morning, students. We learnt computer software. This is an important lesson of your course book. This program comprises computer software. After going through this unit, we will be able to have knowledge about basics of computer software, knowledge about application software and system software, and knowledge about categories of application software, and knowledge about how software works. Software. A software is a set of instructions written by user. It is a collection of data and instruction to perform specific tasks. A set of programs and procedure, associated document designed to work of computer. Logic part of computer. User cannot touch them. Control the operation of hardware and other software. Types of computer software. The two main categories of software are system software, application software. System software. It is a collection of programs that control the operation of computer and device. It provides interface between hardware and application. It provides backbone of computer, provides platform for its operation, help user to use software and program activities. Operating system. An operating system is a system software. It acts as an interface between user and computer. It is a collection of programs that coordinates internal working. It provides interface to communicate with computer. Operating system manages components and operation. Computer is useless without operating system. Utility program. It allows user to perform explicit tasks. User to resolve system maintenance. Different types of utility programs: formatting hard disk, backup, antivirus. Device drivers. Device drivers are system program used to run on and manage this device. It can built-in program provided by manufacturers. Devices are workless without drivers. Driver communicate with devices to control operation. Device must have driver to work. Application software. Set of programs for user specific job. Allow user to develop programs, facilitate user to manipulate text, number, graphics, or combination of all. Various application programs available for different use. Categories of application software. 1000 application software available. Not possible to categorize. Common application software are word processing software, spreadsheet software, database software, graphics and multimedia software, personal assistant software, communication software. Word processing software. It is a program used for creating, editing, storing and printing documents. It can popular from 1970s when typewriter merged with processor for editing text. Different companies developing word processors. Standard features of word processor. Text manipulate features. Text editing, word wrap, status line, search and replace, header and footer. Text editing. Entering the new text, cut copy and paste. Insertion and deletion of text is called text editing. Word wrap. Cursor automatically moves next line when line completes. Status line. It provides information about current document. Search and replace allows user to search particular word and replace with other word or expressions. Header is an area at the top of the page. Footer is an area at the bottom of the page. Spell checker allows to check spelling of word. Spotlight the word that is not in its dictionary. Table. It allows to insert table comprising rows and columns. Save and print. Created document, edited or format can be saved and printed on paper. Some common word processor are Microsoft Word, Word Perfect, Apple Word, Star Writer, OpenOffice. Spreadsheet. Data manipulation tool used for organizing and analyzing of information in tabular form. Computers ledger that accept data values in rows and columns allow calculation. Replicate a physical spreadsheet by entering, displaying and calculating data in rows and columns. Standard features of spreadsheets: rows and column. Table consists of rows are labeled by numbers and columns labeled by letters. Cell. Intersection of row and column called cell. Inequally identify its column and row designations. Data entered into the cell for manipulation. Formula. Relationship between values of cell used to apply the mathematical equation among data values of a cell. Formulas are always start with equal symbol. For example, P2 is equal to B1 plus C1. It can calculate the sum value of B1 and value of C1 into D2. Functions. Built-in formula for calculating already created and stored in programs. Used as a shortcut for applying mathematical equation. Some examples of functions are count, sum, max, min, etc. Graphs and chart. Data and information can be analyzed in graphic form. It can allow the user to display numerical data in charts or graphs. Spreadsheet programs are Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Quarter Pro. Database software. It is a collection of related data. It allows the user to retrieve, edit and update data. Database management system software allows users to develop, access and administrate database. Data in database can added, updated, deleted and search record. DBMS like traditional filling system which stores individual group and place and pieces of information. Relation database system are most common DBMS. RDBMS has following components. Tables. Database comprised one or more relations which group of related data items. Table made up of records are made up of rows and columns holding actual data items. Example, student table might hold the information in the form of database table. Form. Graphical user interface used to communicate with the database. A form is an application that is given to the user to fill up some information or data. It can use the user to enter data in database. It consists of text box, password field, checkbox, and other input object. Object facility used to communicate with data is easily. User can access, update, and delete data. Advantages of forms. It is easy to operate. It provides attractive interface for user. User can use form without technical knowledge. Queries. It is used to search data items from database. It used structured query language to manipulate data. Report. It is a meaningful information that is extracted from database, generated on basis of one or more SQL queries. Output based database application used to locate arrange data in a formatted way. Communication package. Application program used to facilitate communication between two computers. It can allow user to send and receive data transfer between two nodes or network of data. Features of network. Data upload, that is send the data to another node. Data download, that is receive the data from other node. Recognize the individual user during live communication. Support of file transfer. Application of package of communication, web browser, file transfer protocol. Personal assistant package. It allows the user to store and retrieve information used to plan and manage contacts, meeting, finance and other important information. Personal assistant packages are calendar, to-do list. Calendar. It enables the user to record appointments and meetings. Alert user for upcoming events and conflicts of schedule. Allows user to browse previous events with brief description. To-do list. Arrange a task to perform by the user. User can plan and prioritize tasks with intimation, targets and deadlines. Install a new software program. If software downloaded from internet, download installer and start working. If the software burnt on CD-ROM, installer run automatically when CD is inserted in CD drive. Exit procedure may vary from one program to another. Setup.exe file provided with installation package. Double click the setup.exe installer to unzip the file location in temporary folder. Next, license agreement which must be agreed. Installer prompt location of program. Default location is program file. Installer prompt location of program. Default location is program file. Installer copy program files to a located folder. Program has many individual files. File stored in destination directory. Let us recall what we learned so far. What is software? A set of instructions written by user is called software. Two types of software is called system software, application software. System software. It performs the basic functions that are necessary to operate a computer system. It controls the various resources of a computer system. The operating system is an example of system software. What is an operating system? Operating system is an act as a system software, act as an interface between user and computer. Example of operating system is MS-DOS, Linux, Windows 95, Windows XP, etc. Utility program. It allows a user to perform utility tasks. Different types of utility program are formatting hard disk, backup, antivirus software. Device drivers. Device drivers are system program used to turn on and manage device. It can built-in program provided by manufacturers. Devices are workless without drivers. Application software. Set of program for user specific job. It can allow the user to develop program. Various types of application software are word processing software, spreadsheet software, database software, graphics and multimedia software, personalization software, communication software. Word processing software. Program used for creating, editing, storing and printing documents. Standard features of word processor are text editing, word wrap, status line, search and replace, header and footer. Spell checker allows to check spelling of words. Spotlight the word that is not in dictionary. Table allows to insert table comprising of rows and columns. Some common word processors are Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, and Apple Word. Spreadsheet, data manipulation tool used for organizing and analysis of information in tabular form. Computerized ledger that accepts data values in rows and column allows calculations. Cell, intersection of rows and column called cell. Data into cell for manipulations. Spreadsheet, formula, relationship between values of cell. The formula always starts with equal symbol. Function, built-in formulas for calculation already created and stored in a program. Examples of functions are count, sum, max, min, etc. Graphs and chart. Data and information can be analyzed in graphic form. Allows user to display numerical data in charts or graphics. Some example of spreadsheet programs are Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Quarter Pro. Database software, collection of related data. It allows user to retrieve, edit, and update data. Database management system software allows user to develop, access, and administer database. Tables, database comprised of one or more relationships which are related data. Tables made up of records which are made up of rows and columns holding actual data. For example, student table might hold the information in the form of database table. What is a form? A form is a document that is given to the user to fill up some information or data. For example, an application form. Advantages of forms: easy to operate, it can provide attractive interface for user. Queries, it is used to search data items from database. It uses structured query language to manipulate data. Communication package, it is an application program used to facilitate communication between two computers. It allows the user to send and retrieve data. Personal assistant package, it allows the user to store and retrieve information. Personal assistant packages are calendar, to-do list. Calendar, enable user to record appointments and meeting. Allows user to browse previous events and brief description. To-do list, arrange tasks to perform by the user. Thank you. Have a nice day.